We're going for another watch meetup, and it's gonna be fun. I'm going to Mississauga, or Streetsville. Nice, and it's right next to my favorite restaurant. Well, just a couple steps away. You like that great oven roasted pizza? Oh, good fellas. It's right there.
Mwah, delicious. Chef's kiss. Follow me. We got to go to the watch meetup. We're going to see the Optical Tailor, which is Jason. He runs the business. Awesome.
I'm Ross, welcome back to the channel. This video is sponsored by Daily Watch. And wow, did they come in handy. Packed up some accessories, all your storage solutions and travel accessory solutions. Wow, they have so many options. An ultimate selection for watch enthusiasts, for accessories, for collectors, anyone really. You can find watch cases, watch rolls, personalized storage solutions, watch stands, mats, trays, even maintenance supply stuff like dynamite. I brought some of my collection to the meetup. I used the hard case, the watch roll, my personalized watch roll as well. I brought the hard case to the event, worked great, not only for safe transportation, but also a great display option. I even used the watch tray for my DIY watch, the GMT Maxi build. And not to mention the new hexagon watch box for 6 watches. And a special surprise appearance by Logan, the robot stand from Daily Watch. Check out dailywatch.com for all of your accessory needs. Have some fun with it. Use promo code TheCovertCrow at checkout. You should get 10% off. This was a great night, an overall awesome, fantastic experience. It's always awesome to learn about different people's enthusiast stories and their collecting experiences and their journey as well. I met up with Bob. You may know him as Time to Go Travel and Timepieces on YouTube, and Time to Go 1978 on Instagram. And of course, you may know Jason Hutton, who's the coordinator, founder of Toronto Timepiece Show and the Vancouver Timepiece Show. We had drinks, we had good conversation, and we learned so much about even some watches that not necessarily are on my radar yet. But you know what? Once we get them out there and do some reviews, they'll be awesome. I'm hoping to get a bird's eye view with some of the watches that I was able to see, and then we'll go from there. Let's take a look at some of the action. I'll be sure to tag a lot of the people that I met there in the video so you get an idea of who they were, and you can follow them on Instagram or on their YouTube channels respectively. No problem.
This is Isotope, and I love that dial. I'm gonna have to make a video of this one. Simply gorgeous. Just one of a ton of watches here at the meetup. Oh, I love it.
I appreciate all the sharing and allowing me to get hands-on with the pieces. It was a fantastic event. I'm already looking forward to the next one. Let's take a look at some of the special pieces we had. Vario was there, Isotope was there. A couple different models too. It was fantastic. Seiko Bullhead and a big Seiko collection by Andre. RZE Digital was there. Time Flies by 2020, which was Joe. Awesome. Not to mention, probably the rock stars of the show, the Space One and the Rolex Daytona. That's right, I got hands-on with my very first Rolex Daytona chronograph. Woo! It was something else. Thanks to Yao, Life Through My Phone Lens. Yao, you'll see him on Instagram. It was short time, but I had a great experience with the hands-on. It was awesome. Also ran into Tyler from Warden Watches. He had a couple models that are with him, and they're in production, so they should be out soon, and hopefully we can get hands-on with those as well. But my first ever Rolex Daytona, wow. Now special thanks to Jason, who owns the Optical Tailor shop in Mississauga, Streetsville. He was a great host. He also has some awesome sunglasses in his shop. Check out the Optical Tailor if you have the time and you want to look into some really good quality sunglasses. Some that'll last you years, right? And won't break down and, you know, won't deteriorate. I not only learned about some brands I hadn't even heard of before, but Jason did a great job explaining the history behind some of them as well. Even some Japanese brands and stuff. The education was awesome. What a night. Watches and Wine 2025, Streetsville, Mississauga. It's in the books. I will tag as many people as I can in the video. I appreciate everyone for coming out. Thank you very much for Bob and Jason for throwing it all together. Not to mention for Jason, the Optical Tailor, for hosting the whole event. Wow, just awesome. I love hearing the stories. I love seeing the watches. I love the conversation and networking. It's awesome to die for. If I forgot anybody in the tags, I sincerely apologize. Reach out to me, DM me, say hi. You know what? We'll hook up again and we'll talk some more. But thanks for coming to the channel. I appreciate all the support. Any questions or concerns about any different watches or whatever you've seen in the video, drop a link or a comment down below. Let me know what you think of some of these beasts. They were awesome. Space One? Like, really? Holy cow. Rolex Daytona? Come on. Say it ain't so. Like, subscribe, do all the fancy things for the algorithm. I appreciate you. We'll see you on the next one.